Let's draw a lake view in Procreate. We'll start by taking a monoline brush. Next, we take a light blue color. Fill the screen. Then take a new layer and add a rectangular selection to it. Next, take a soft brush and fill with a little shade of pink, and then add a deeper shade of blue. By the way, the colors that I am using in these illustrations are all available in the description. Once done, take the monoline brush again and draw little mountains. Fill with some kind of dark brown color. Make an alpha lock to resist your illustration from spilling the color outside. Next, add some color as a tone of highlight and darkness. Duplicate the layer and then distort them to create different variation of hills. I again duplicate to create another one. Once done, take the rectangular selection and cut the unnecessary part. Next, we draw the outline of the cliff with monoline brush and fill it with blue. Underneath the blue layer, there is also a duplicated black layer, which I am erasing out now. Next, take some lighter tone of pink and then take a softer brush and draw at the edge to do some kind of highlight. Add some tone of darkness too. This will add more depth to your image. Next, hold your two fingers and draw a circle to make the moon. Move it to a specific position, and then I am using my tree brush to position a tree at the cliff. You can draw a tree too. Next, I am adding some leaf. Once the volumes of leaves are completed, we can then move to create the reflection of the hills. Duplicate the hills layer and then transform it and flip it vertically. Once vertically flipped, move it to the exact position to create an illusion of reflection. Next, I am using the adjust color option to adjust the brightness and the hue of this particular reflection. Once it is bluish, I will move on and reduce the opacity. Next, I go to adjustment and apply liquify. I play with some options and then move my brush to create an illusion of fluid distortion. Once done, we can zoom out. The lake view illustration is now ready. Thank you for watching and see you in the next illustration.